Hello, I'm Salosa Mendes, and here at Buckinghamshire New University, I work for the Student Learning and Achievement department, where we're here to help all students at all levels develop confidence in their studies and to strengthen their study skills. We know university can be a big step up, and it's normal to feel a bit unsure at first. That's why the SLA is here to help you develop the skills and confidence that make learning feel more manageable. We run interactive workshops on topics such as understanding your assignments, academic writing, referencing, critical thinking and presentation skills. If English isn't your first language, or English for academic purposes sessions can help you strengthen your language skills and confidence for completing your assignments. You can also book either an online or in-person one-to-one tutorial for personalized support. You can work with us at any point on an assignment from the moment you get your assignment brief so that you can work with confidence and no doubt.
Students who come to us often say they feel more confident, more relaxed, and less stressed about their studies. So wherever you are in your student journey, just remember that Student Learning Achievement can help you achieve your goals. If you want to get in contact with us, please scan the QR code or come and see us in person.